What's going on, guys? Case here with another fragrance review. Today we're discussing Lacoste Blanc, which means white in French. So this is pretty much what you would expect to be wearing when you're wearing like a white polo, because that's the box. The box actually represents a white polo in the front, a white peak Lacoste polo. And this is basically exactly that. So if you're wearing a white polo, this is exactly what you would be expecting to wear during a nice summertime. You want to feel fresh, you're clean right out of the shower. You want to spray something and head to a happy hour with your friends, or you're going on a casual lunch or a date. Even on a casual date, this would work phenomenally. It's not a great smelling fragrance, it's a very good smelling fragrance. So I would say you wouldn't stand out with this fragrance, but you would definitely be smelling something that's really nice, puts you at ease, and it's something that you can just say, I smell good. That kind of feeling that you get from wearing something nice of a fragrance. And this is exactly what that fragrance is. Doesn't break the bank, doesn't last too long, doesn't offend anyone. It's just perfect. So going on to what kind of scent, the notes that you can expect from this, it's more of the woody and citrusy side with a hint of florals. So it does have tuberose, it has cardamom, it has ylang ylang, it has some suede in it, though I don't smell it too much. It does have some leather in it. Don't smell it too much. Mainly what you're going to smell is some woody notes, and the grapefruit is a very prominent note that you're going to be smelling, as well as some rosemary in there. I do definitely smell the mix of it in that floral, woody, citrusy ensemble. So mainly what you're going to smell is the grapefruit and the woody note that are going to be the kind of the clean, fresh note, and the tuberose as well is where that floral kind of note comes into play. Now, in terms of longevity, you can expect about 4 to 5 hours, maybe 6, depending on how generously you applied the fragrance. But mainly, I would say around 4 to 5 hours is what you can expect. Some people say this works for their 9 to 5, where they just apply it in the morning, and at the end of their work shift, they still get some hints of the smell. But I would disagree with that, saying that maybe I have not researched this, but maybe they have toned down the juice that they provided this fragrance, so they might have reformulated it. But in general, I do get around 4 to 6 hours of fragrance, performance from this, where afterwards it's more going towards the skin scent. So in terms of projection, you should just expect maybe at most like arm's length, maybe half of an arm's length. So maybe 1 to 2 feet at most in the peak hours of the fragrance. So about 1 or 2 hours into spraying the fragrance, you should expect to get that maximum projection from this fragrance. So in terms of seasonality, definitely summertime, spring, even hot falls. I would say in Texas we get some heat in the fall as well, right before it comes into the winter time. So I can definitely see myself rocking this as well. And now, in terms of when and where you would be wearing this, in terms of like the scenarios where you could rock this, there are so many scenarios where you could rock this wonderful fragrance. Lacoste Blanc is, as I said, that white t-shirt polo fragrance where you just rock a clean white polo, or even white t-shirt. I would say with this fragrance, they say white polo just because the box is on there. But you could do a white t-shirt as well, and you just spray your neckline, maybe the shirt a bit, and you are ready, set, and go for the whatever event you have going for you in that day. So whether it's work, whether you're going out to lunch with friends, going to a happy hour, going on a casual date with any kind of significant other, this will definitely, it's definitely, it works. It just works. There's no other way to say it. I even would recommend this as a room spray. So even this is a kind of an oddball thought of thinking, but I would even think of this as a room spray just because it just has that really nice aura that it brings out of you when you smell it. So I definitely think you can even try this out as a room spray. It is affordable enough to do so. So if you don't like the performance on your skin, definitely give it a chance as a room spray in your house and see how that goes. So that's all I have for this wonderful, I want to call it a cheapy designer fragrance, but it's more than that. It's Lacoste Blanc, and it's wonderful for you to try it out. And let me know what you think. If you've tried this out, or if you're looking to try it out, or if you've seen people talk about it, or if you've seen other reviewers and videos that talk about it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time on another video.